Okay, let's start the machine. First, when the power indicator light is on, first turn right of the emergency button, and then we can see from this screen. That means the machine, the electrical control system, is ready for working. So now we can set the temperature. Generally, we set it as 65度没60. 60 degree or 65, based on your oil situation. If your oil has lots of water, you can set the temperature a little higher. Now, set the temperature. Then we can start the vacuum pump by this one. Press this one. Then we need to wait for the vacuum gauge to wait the vacuum get the value of 0.08 to 0.09. After this, we can once the vacuum degree gets 0.08 to 0.09, we need to open this oil inlet valve, and then we will see some oil here. Once we see oil comes out from here, we can observe from this glass. Then open the oil outlet valve immediately. This valve. Then the machine is working. And then we open the filter, this one to right of this, and then we will see this light will be on. After this, we finish the manual working. Then the machine is working automatically.